Okay, and in 6.3 now, page 4 at the top of the notes. And it says multiply by the method of your choice. Again, practice plus here. We're looking at 2 problems in one, more than one thing going on. So when you keep that in mind as you're looking for more than one thing happening, you can see here that you've got 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2 on the inside, and then raised to the power of 2. That is going to be an earlier topic that we covered. But the 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2 should ring some bells. Okay, you should be able to kind of tell what this is here. We've got matching pieces, first and first, last and last, but one's plus, one's minus. So it's that whole a plus b times a minus b is going to be your a squared minus b squared. Okay, that's one way to think of this. So when you notice that, then you can say, okay, well, I'm going to leave the squared out here for now. And let's take our a squared minus b squared. It's 3x times 3x is 9x squared. And then 2 times 2 is 4, and it'll be minus 4. Now don't forget that where this came from, where this shortcut came from, is just foiling over and over and noticing what happened. What happens is that the OI piece, the outside, 3x times minus 2, and the inside, 3x times positive 2, always canceled each other out. They're always opposites in terms of like terms. And then we've got 9x squared minus 4, the whole thing squared. So that's really 9x squared minus 4 times 9x squared minus 4. And now we need to do the regular FOIL, okay? Or you could remember what the shortcut is for this, where you have exactly matching factors. You could go first term squared, second term squared, third term you would have to see the middle term it would be the double of the product, but you can get there by foiling too. So the 9x squared times 9x squared plus 9x squared times a minus 4, and that again plus another 9x squared times a minus 4, and then plus a negative 4 times a negative 4. And so what you get is 81x to the 4th minus 36x squared minus another 36x squared is minus 72x squared. Minus 4 times minus 4 is a plus 16. There's actually other ways you can do this. You could start by distributing the Post-its. Some of you have wanted to do that this whole time. Pull those little tricks out again, and so this is a chance to do it because you've got multiplication. So you could start by applying the square to both of the binomials. And then from there you could FOIL or use that on each of these, and then finally go after like terms. It becomes a huge problem very quickly. So if you're working something and it's taking up a lot of extra space on the page, go back and see if there's a way to use one of these shortcut rules to help make it simpler for you.